Good morning. It's 3 a.m. in the morning on my pre-travel day. And there's a reason that I've got up. Let's go look for something. It's virtually impossible for you to see in this, but I can see it. That light there, if you can see it, is the Disney Dream. Hi Mickey, see you tomorrow.
Rain keeps on falling, but I can't feel it crawling down my...
Hello! It's pre-travel day! Yahoo! Today I'm going to Edinburgh Airport for the very first time, and I'm staying in a hotel overnight, and then tomorrow I'm getting on a Virgin Atlantic flight to Orlando! So I'm all ready, I'm all set, I think. I can't believe it's here! This is a mega trip. Let's go and see how my mum's doing. Hi, Mama!
Hi, Claire.
How are you?
I'm fine. I am very well. I'm going to have an empty flat for 4 weeks.
Sorry, you're not coming with me?
No.
Oh, no.
I know. I'm giving Disney a miss this year. Imagine that.
Why?
Because I'm going to Italy. I'm going to Sorrento, to the Bay of Naples, beautiful Amalfi Coast.
You could have just gone to Epcot.
Not the same. No Amalfi Coast in Epcot. We're going to have a ball, so all enjoy it.
Oh. Bye, Mama. This is it. This is the only time you're going to be in this vlog.
Good.
So this is a bit of a special trip. This trip is 4 weeks long. I am staying for 2 weeks at Disney, at Pop Century, and then a week at Universal's Aventura, and then a week at Cabana Bay. I'm at the point where I can't actually believe this is happening. I'm like, what? Really? It doesn't feel real. I'm just waiting for my dad to come and pick me up, and he's going to drive me through to Edinburgh Airport, because Edinburgh Airport isn't as easy for me to get to as Glasgow, so he's kindly going to give me a wee lift. I am just so excited. I have so many excited butterflies right now. It's going to be an epic trip. We've got loads planned. That's me all ready and all set to go.
When this flight, won't you just take me home tonight? I'm at my autumn low. Baby, just take me home tonight. Baby, just take me home tonight. Show me life, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life.
So I'm just at my Edinburgh Airport hotel, waiting to get into my room.
Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come.
This is the Hampton by Hilton. I have to confess, I did not for a second think I had a couch, so that's quite a nice wee perk. We have a nice big television and some shelves, some plugs and more plugs with USB, a lovely kettle and some tea and coffee doodads. What's that? Oh, tea. I'm not a fan of tea, but I do love my coffee. Nice light, bin, a wee chair you want to sit. As I say, I have a really, I was a lovely surprise, a sofa. And then I have a bed. Next to the bed, I have plug and USBs, which is perfect because I love to charge my phone next to my bed of a night. And there are plug points. Oh, that's not a plug down there. But there is a plug point and USBs at this side as well. And a wee drawer. Oh, it's a safe. Oh, that's great. I'm really pleased about that. So I'll put my stuff in there in a wee minute. It's just a wee safe. It's quite snappy to pull that down. It's not, it looks, it's, well, You would get a laptop in there. It's good enough for me. That'll let me put everything I need to in there. Let me see what's out this window, because I have no clue. I haven't actually looked outside. Oh no, I thought I'd get an airport view. Maybe I kind of do. That's the Doubletree by Hilton there, and the Moxie Hotel as well. Oh, I thought I might get to see the runway. Never mind. I'm only here for one night. Oh, right, okay. There is, it looks like an extra duvet there. You've got your standard iron and ironing board, a hairdryer, a luggage rack, and some hangers, and then the bathroom. There we go. Third time lucky, fourth time lucky. Okay, so the bathroom, we have the throne, a nice sink, some hand and body lotion. Hello! We have some towels. Oh, let's see. Alright, quality. And then we have a nice shower. Shower head's just alright, I'd say. Let me just turn this around. It just looks okay, I suppose. Well, I'll let you know. And then we have some products, some body wash, shampoo, and some conditioner, and a little hook here to hang your towel. But yeah, no, it's I'm really liking this. It's a nice hotel. So I've had to look around the room, and I am kind of, well, I've put stuff away a wee bit. But what I'm going to do is take a wee wander over to the airport, to Edinburgh Airport, because I've never ever flown from Edinburgh Airport before. So I just want to have a wee look around and just see what it's like, so that I know where I'm going tomorrow morning. So let's go. I'm just sitting at Costa Coffee having a wee coffee, and I had a biscuit. It's fair to say I'm very, very excited. So I'm just going to finish this and have another wee, finish wandering around the airport, because I've had a wee wander around the airport. Really easy to get to from the hotel. And see what's up the stairs, because, as I say, I've never been to this airport before. I'm currently sitting, obviously, as you can see, in the Costa Coffee. And then I'm going back to the hotel, maybe chill in my room, and then I'm going to get something to eat for my tea. Probably just do that in the hotel tonight. Ready for a nice, chilled, relaxed evening in preparation for my long travel day tomorrow. So if you're looking for a bus to Glasgow, you can wait at the door, you can't really miss the sign, and then there we have it. So this is me just walking back to the hotel, but it's so close to the airport. I mean, I can hear the plane. I can actually see it just through the fence. It just makes you so excited when you know you're going on holiday tomorrow. I wish I could bottle this feeling up forever, because it's just the best feeling in the world. I am so happy right now. Also, the signs are all really clear about how to get to the airport and also how to get back to the hotel, which is really, really helpful and impressive, especially when you're not so familiar with the area. I can actually see my hotel from here, to be fair, and it isn't far, and it's certainly not difficult to find, but it's just reassuring, especially when you've got a sense of direction like myself. And look, there's the control tower. A test to see if the bed's comfy. Oh, it's lovely. Oh yes, I can confirm the bed is comfortable. Yeah, and I'm quite fussy with my beds, and it's one of the first things I check when I book a hotel, is how comfortable the beds are, because it's important to get a good night's sleep, especially when you're travelling all the way to Orlando. I can't believe that this is finally here. I really, really can't. Hello! So I've just realised I haven't really talked much about my trip. What's happening, where I'm staying, all that sort of stuff. So I am flying from Edinburgh Airport tomorrow morning, well, tomorrow lunchtime, from Edinburgh Airport to MCO Orlando. I am flying with Virgin Atlantic I'm flying premium economy. I'm travelling on my own, but I have friends who are already out in Florida, and then I've got friends who are actually flying out tomorrow as well, but from Heathrow. They land, if it all going to plan, about 2 hours after me. I've got so much planned. Stuff that I've not done before or I've not done for a long time. So the plan park-wise is the Disney parks, obviously. But I've also got other kind of special things planned. If the weather plays in our part, obviously it's hurricane season and anything can change. But we should be going to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party next week, actually. We've got a fireworks cruise booked to see Happily Ever After. That's going to be special. It's going to be special. I've got loads of restaurants booked that I've never eaten at before. So, for example, Ohana's, Tusker House Breakfast. I've never eaten there at breakfast time anyway. Garden Grill. I'm eating at Space 220, but the main dining, not the lounge. Be Our Guest for dinner. Never done that before. And some old favourites as well. Then, when I move to Universal, the plan is to go to obviously the Universal parks, which includes Volcano Bay, which I've never been to before, and we've hired a cabana. What else have we got planned? I'm going to SeaWorld for the first time since 1999. So when I went, there were none of those coasters that SeaWorld has now. The only thing that I remember being there that's there just now is Journey to Atlantis. I'm going to Busch Gardens for the first time. Never been there. What else am I doing that I haven't done before? Oh, Discovery Cove. I'm going to Discovery Cove for the day. Never done that. I'm going to be swimming with some dolphins. We've got tickets to do the big wheel, the big Eye, like London Eye wheel in Orlando. We got that as part. We got a really, really good deal for Discovery Cove, which gives me access to SeaWorld, Busch Gardens, and Aquatica. If I've got time to fit Aquatica in, I will. Bearing in mind, I do have limited energy, so although it sounds like I'm there for a long time and I've got lots planned, and I do have to take it at a slower pace. And like I said before, although I will be vlogging as much as I can, there will be times and days and things we do which won't be covered on my videos because we're a bunch of friends hanging out in Orlando, you know? So exciting. But yes, I will take you along as much as I can, and I look forward to sharing this adventure. So I've just nipped down for some dinner. I've ordered a burger and I've got a Coca-Cola. Hello! So I am just back from my tea. It was alright. It was a burger and chips. It was not a Disney burger and chips, but it was a burger and chips, and it filled me up. I'm full. I'm back in my room now, ready to relax for the evening. I'm just about to make myself a wee cup of coffee and have a wee sweetie that I've brought with me and just relax for the evening. I think I'm going to be video calling some friends that are joining me in Florida so we can all get excited together. They are currently in a airport hotel at Heathrow. I will update with anything else that happens this evening, but honestly it's probably going to be quite a boring short video this because it's just me, so there's no banter, and I've not done a terrible amount today because I'm trying to relax and just be ready for tomorrow. I don't know whether I mentioned packing cubes, and I just wanted to say that I absolutely love packing cubes, and today is an absolute example of why I find them so handy. So what I did was I filled this packing cube just with the clothes that I would need for here for this stay. So I put in my pyjamas and I put in my travel clothes for tomorrow. So I didn't need to fumble through a case looking for all the stuff that I needed. I just put it all together in this one packing cube, and I just think it's so much easier and more convenient than having stuff loose in a case, if you like. I know it's a very personal thing, but it's just, I think I can't rave about them enough. Another useless bit of information is when I travel, I take quite a bit of medication, I guess. And so what I do is I bring like 3 of them, and I put my pills in for like today, and then another one for tomorrow and the next day, and it just keeps them together and makes it easier to manage. So I'm just about to sit down and relax and enjoy this with a wee a wee stickers. I charged my Magic Band, and when I tried to connect it to the My Disney experience, it wouldn't connect. So I turned my phone off and I turned it back on, and hey presto, it connected. So just a wee tip if you're having issues with it. And then I went into the app. Now, bearing in mind I've not really connected my Magic Band for a year and a half, and it had an update to do. So I'm really glad that I checked. Oh, so I've had a really relaxing evening. I'm just having a wee cup of coffee just now and a wee biscuit. Hello, I had one what feels like 30 seconds ago in this video, but it's been hours. And then I'm going to get ready for bed and head to bed. I've had a really relaxing evening. Watched a little bit of YouTube. I've watched a wee bit of Moana, and I have sorted through my hand luggage, so it's all ready for tomorrow. I've looked out everything that I need for the morning, and I'm ready to really go to bed and get up and go tomorrow. And I also had a wee video call with friends that I'm meeting out in Florida, which was really lovely. They're at a hotel at Heathrow, near Heathrow. So we were all getting very excited together and making plans for when we're out over there. We've never spent this long out in Florida together. We've only met for a couple of days before in the past. So we're super excited about being in Disney and Universal and all the parks, but we're also super excited that we get to spend time together. Because we live far away, we don't see each other very often. So there's multiple reasons why this trip is so special, and this, I mean, this is just, yeah, amazing. Anyway, I am going to get ready for bed and yeah, get ready for tomorrow. Setting 2 alarms, one on my phone, one on my iPad. Although I really don't think I'm going to sleep in. I need to actually work out what time I want to get up and go for breakfast, and I get free breakfast with this hotel stay, but I also have an airport lounge booked. I had the lounge booked before I knew I got breakfast. I didn't realise I got a free breakfast with this stay. So I will go for breakfast here, and then I'll go to the lounge. The lounge is more just a quiet place to sit, really. So I just want to say night. I'm going to go to sleep now. Hopefully I do get to sleep. I've had a really lovely day. This bed is so comfortable. And I will say good night and see you in the morning for travel day. But thank you very much for watching, if you've lasted this long.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard at night. Playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't mean